Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Alright, Alex, where are we going?
Going out here to trade this Willys. Here you go. We're trading, right?
That's pretty quick. Oh, we trading?
Yeah. I thought you were bringing that to trade for the Willys right there.
We'll give you options, bud. That's actually a fun trade.
Still way upside down.
Yeah.
That's the one where the guy was talking about.
Yeah, monetarily still. He said he'd fill it.
Or whatever.
He said he'd fill it full of gas.
55.
That's what I'm saying, man. Monetarily, terrible trade, but it would be fun to drive.
What'd you say, Alex?
I said, why are there so many calipers back here?
Yeah, it's dual caliper.
Yeah. That's wild.
Gotta work harder.
Gotta. Yep.
Gotta keep working harder. Alright. Hey, Alex. Can you hit the door locks? Yeah, don't you have electric door locks?
Yeah. No.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Electric nothing.
Yeah, absolutely electric nothing.
Electric
Except for the ignition.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're here Willy Wednesday. Gonna try Maya Mexican restaurant. We already know it's one of our favorites, but meeting John and Matt, the owners of ATO, or the Goofballs, really.
Yeah.
Ladies first.
Hello.
Hello. We're joining somebody.
Yeah, they're back here already.
The ATO table.
Yeah.
These guys are here.
All day, baby.
Alright, gentlemen. How was lunch today?
Yeah. If you like mediocre Mexican food, this is not the place. Fantastic. Really enjoyable.
I had a Jaguar burrito with steak. It was really good.
Actual Jaguar meat. They cook
Yeah,
Jaguar.
real Jaguar meat. They sprinkle it on there. They call it
is
chorizo.
Spanish for Jaguar. Everybody knows that.
Chorizo's a small
That's
bird.
why you don't get a lot of it. They just sprinkle it on top because it's.
I can see it's pretty rare, probably.
Very
Yeah.
I mean, I think that was one of the things that Trump put a tariff on. Jaguars. No one
Yeah.
put a Jaguar before.
Yeah. So, got to be really, really careful with it.
What do I do with this thing?
Put it in your ear.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
I ordered soft shell tacos and got soft shell tacos, so I'm pretty happy. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend to a friend.
Nice. Thanks, guys. Alright, so back to the shop. By the way, everybody, the start button.
Don't show everybody that. No, that's fine.
There's John being
Handsome boy,